For and then you may so Edora is Christo Muncha every munina Senia Munim Dada na Jumadia o my Ghana Enyantia Sieni who say enim dear enuma and I say nim dear program yede etiti in chimba and day so yede bremu Jumadia edi at the biblical voice Jumadia so and your crenim dear na your bo in chimba home a buying Jumadia so and your pension chere se mu so anyi bia enema bia se e Christofo ya gia tu ne dira Christo sum no ewade asem eche ensen anyi bia e onyankopon na pede ana se eye na chiwade eno ena enede so ya sen agiegwa ye behwe chere se mu na ya dosukom nimdie nsem ho na yehunu se enema bia ye fore ana enema bia ye de ho adom se e Christofo no ese ana se efata na se etisade a na ya hye ye ho den na ya kan se onyankopon achiwade enso a na ya twe ho ade afiri ho entem ara na yebaginim de ensem kakra ade afiri Erade Yesu Kristo ni mu enkwagesem a eye tweresem no emu yesu ade bebre na enne the new subject and answer topic ye lifted the conscience of man. The conscience of man. Say the ko akankasem anase ye twi kasanimu a ase chenyina ne se onipa ahunim onipa na hunim seka ahunim anase onipa ahunim potokasam ye kan say the conscience no ase echese anase ejina e de ema den for baby a we ase do say ya no hu events any activities koso eba we ase nyina no ne bota nyina ne say ahunim eye conscience onyankopon edema onipa no and those activities no kum no ebe conscience na se ebe ahunim na se sene be ya onyankopon su ne me ban so ode boy yen ba asase so no tumi a ode adua yen se onipa no ye be lusu ni nyina ampa se enne ye enyumadie ene enioma enipa ede ye ho efoya na utimi hu se conscience eye ahunimu a onyankopon ede bo onipa no in fact ye my Ghana we are see nyina da aswati na ekofem na agina sie ba ko a yenyina yebisi ene se abra ewiase ehye ase na onyankopon ehye adebodi ase efri Adam esono Bible say adebomu a onyankopon ebo Adam na ode Adam etu edintu onimu no na Adam oye innocent onim bibiara. Why? Because ye dosu koma yebesu anwa de ba mpo no ntoma kakra encho abra onyankopon ebo Adam na ohumi enkon egu nimu no na ofura na hunim eye ne ntiase aniwa eye ne conscience no ofura sa ne ntiase anase na adwene aniwa no ano ensano no ode share aduabam so atiase senya ebe ya ode be hwe onipa level and a state of obedience. And until they shall say at the body assasia. Adam no. The state of man in the Garden of Eden was innocence. Now, from the time Adam was created, if we say about Adam, I want to say ABC and ne yes you pains wa you go to etias Yesu Christo emayeno. If it's sa ne brofo no a dispensation. If it's sa abba eko if it's eguso eba. So what I say, there have been so much dispensational changes, and I said dispensational truth about abichem eko. Enti ye ko share from the onset about onyankopon bo onipa e de ba besi sabri na for ye siegina pobi e de adosukom ewo ene adesua de ebisua the conscience of man no ehun about onyankopon bo Adam no. Bible said in innocence God created Adam according to Genesis chapter 1 to chapter 3. So okay, the book of Genesis chapter 1 to chapter 3 you find out say onyankopon bo Adam no. Adam was full of innocence. Why? Because onyankopon ekata Adam entiase aniwa. So therefore Adam was in the Garden of Eden, but he was not living by himself. Onyankopon visited no, and wabeche Adam, and yoma baako mienu miensabi eniso. So the first dispensation, onyankopon eboye, and I say onyankopon edika any onipa, and was the dispensation of innocence. Then, after a period of time, that is Genesis chapter 3, into the chapter 4, and about said, Adam any oba Eve edi aduaba e Garden of Eden nim. Enti Adam any Eve edi aduaba no ena omo ahonim no enyira no a onyankopɔ de kata ahonim ne so no. What I say, and you are not going to cut ahonim so na ema omo live in innocence in the Garden of Eden no sa ahonim enyira no e free ho and I say omo ahonim ebie enunti they move from the state of innocence into the state of conscience according to Genesis chapter 4 to chapter 8. Genesis chapter 4 to chapter 8. Then it took over, it became another section. Onyankopo enipa enantie eti onyankopo enipa enantie in the dispensation of conscience. Not just say onipa edi aduaba ni wiye no afi onipa enye innocent biom onipa abe conscious of him or herself. Not just say onipa ehunu papa ena onipa ehunu bɔne enti ade biara onipa ɛyɛ no na wonim no akyerɛ ne sɛ ade we ɛyɛ anase ade we ɛnyɛ. And that was the second state onipa ekomu after innocence from Genesis chapter 4 to Genesis chapter 8. Then after conscience came civil government, and then that one took place from Genesis chapter 9 to chapter 11. When we talk about civil government, emrapo ojakupo di ma onipa na o edibu on mine won edibu on mine onipa edi nipa asetena mu ensem se obi yesen a yefa we entwe na so obi yesen a yefa se entwe na so obi ade we a yefa de we entwe na so ena eno so eba mu. So therefore ye the civil law emra ebe ma onipa ena ebe di nipa anim ebo onipa oban ekuta onipa ekoya into the promise. The promise was under Abraham, the Abrahamic law. Under Abraham, that is Genesis chapter 12 to Exodus chapter 19. That is where we had the promise. And that is circumcision. After the promise, then we entered into the law. And in the law, that is Exodus chapter 20 to Acts chapter 1, and that brought the Sabbath. That brought the Sabbath law. That brought all these ceremonial, civil law and others. That is Exodus chapter 20 to Acts chapter 1. Then came grace. As you see, I can say, the dispensation of grace. And the grace also took off from Acts chapter 1 to Revelation chapter 20. Say, the millennial kingdom, that is the second coming of Jesus Christ. And the last dispensation ever. Far dispensations. Dispensations in Yaso. Esan say, and when you see a message, near those who come to see it, out of all these dispensational truth, I have both young. There is one that is paramount. It cuts across all the other dispensations. Bakubioma a sombo in all the dispensation sabakono eye adwuma na eno eye de wem. Among all the dispensations, the powerful one which cuts across innocence, law, and grace is the conscience. In innocence, there was conscience. Under the law, there was conscience. And then under grace, there is still conscience. So conscience is one of the superseding dispensation. Onyankopon efira de body asase odi dia onipa mu no ekura onipa mu na odi enema enketenkete testi onipa ahobrase ade buo esetie keke enu tie omu a no de fisa bi aba but say you do sukom e wo kyere semu ahun wo say conscience ahunimu no ade a Yesu Kristo ba ye no o preacher na watwe enipa na dwen akọ ahunimu so. Apostle Peter o preacher na watwe onipa na dwen akọ na ahunimu so. Apostle Paul o preacher na watwe onipa na dwen akọ na ahunimu so. Yenum nyina ya dia omo enkwati abere ni edon nyinada se omo ni edom no eche awade asem a na watwe dom na dwene e de aba omo ahunim a eye omo conscience so ene a Christopher ya hunim wan me ya no asofo a ye de Kristo mu kwaje sem ema Awurade mba eya na yeyi ahonim no ato nkyɛn ene asɔre ma bebre ahonim awu ye de ti asɔdem ena ya mount higher grace okape yes ye wadom mre ade na wo ye nso wahonim a ye conscience a edimu atamuom a wo de bɛkɔ onyankopɔ anim no sie gina ema wo ema hu ni se ade na wo ye no enye bade ka musi Yesu aba bewu ti Yesu abewu nti yahonim ensei Yesu abewu nti yahonim se be empro yetu yahonim ento twene na ye dosu koma ye be say Apostle Paul in his ministry Apostle Paul will never ever preach without drawing the attention of the body, the church, the sect, the group to their conscience. Na ene yebejibre nya dusukom nya pense chesem nim no say no good preacher, no good man of God, no God sent servant onyankopon akwa wasoma no bia anyone obe preach to the church neglecting the conscience of man, because the conscience is a drive that keeps you even under the dispensation of grace. Conscience is still ruling. Anybody who forbids conscience and adhere to grace say adominity say be predu asa yana ne mwa yana ne nkwasiafo na yenyimi yenye achiwade e na jibi sem no wa honim edo beko atembu mame yendi kankan Romans chapter 2 verse 14 to 15 quick one.
Romans chapter 2 verse 14 to 15. Na amanamamufo a woni imrano de won awusu ye imrano mu enioma a eyi yenum a woni imrano ye imrama won hu. Verse 15. Wodi ye kire se watro imra ejuma no wo won akomam na won awonim ensu di won adanse na wo ensu se ye toto wo ano anase ensu eyiyi won ano. Amen.
Amen. Me ba twa etie brofo no ha. Romans chapter 2 verse 14 to 15 or say, for when the Gentiles, now we talk about Gentiles, we are talking about mamamfo me ne wo ananka ye nka bi na ye wo wiase na ya brabo nyina eye wiase abrabo anase wiase enuma tie nie ba. For when the Gentiles which have not the law, so from all say you follow dispensational truth no. Yeah, after innocence, conscience, civil government, so what I say, but promise, and then we came to the law. And Apostle Paul said, "Se obimpo ewo wiase a osu onim Kristo. Na onya hu Yesu, enti Bible kura won kan bi da. Tie ni o, Bible kura won so mu da. Asori dem onwura ho da. Na sa woni pa no odina wosu. Awosu no na brofo no kan say dem. O see, for when the Gentiles, which have not the law, do by nature nature. So that there is something that is natural in man. Nature, the things contained in the law. But as I say, I will su etima unipa, ahunim chirano, emra, unyankopon edema, unipa, eti emra no unyankopon edema nipa. What I say, emra no unyankopon edema unipa no. Sa emra no e free, I will su, eye nature mu, na ndi the same, do by nature. The things contained in the law, these having not the law, are a law unto themselves. Now verse 15, or see, which show the work of the law written in their hearts, their conscience. That is the key word. Their conscience. That is verse 15. Their conscience also bearing witness. Their conscience also bearing what? Witness. Eti wa hunim edi adansie edi tiawo. Eti uka chere me say you the dispensation of grace. You the dispensation of grace. And inti adum inti engineer. Apostle Paul say that obi wonsi asori dem dampo no ho. Se na wosu eye na hunim e chere ne se ade we awuyi eye bone enko ho a. O see awosu no a eye nature. Awosu no eye nature ema nya ahonim efi onyankopon ne nkwa homi a ohomigu onipa mu no ahu sa awosu no aye mra amasa onipa no enti abrabo na obo no ade na oyɛ no ne enioma oya eye achiwade enioma oya ani onyankopon asem enko enioma oya wo honim tibi kyosade a meye de enye ade a meye de eye achiwade na wo se when you suffer be a chidi, suffer on a say, yenti oh ye. Meanwhile, one cause of conscience, I want shiny, or when you uncle at the mawono, a Chelsea Diano. Bible say, would you tea, need you be a chi, nay Jimmy Samon Quasiasem, not Jioka say, Miss Suffer say, meanwhile, you have the paramount and the prime thing, which is your conscience. Verse 15, who show the work of the law written in their hearts, their conscience also bearing witness, and their thoughts, the meanwhile accusing or else excusing them. So our conscience accuses and excuses us at all times. It shows screen so adibia uyebia as unipa as an individual as you know, there is a prime thing in us that is our conscience, and that conscience originates from nature. It is the breath of God. It is that breath has given us a strong conviction. And you know, when nature comes in and then our conscience that is speaking of the law written in our heart, then your thought wahunim etuto ano etu koya de na what we say challenge ade am kwede nyu na menye de o de nyehwe ma menye ba komi confirm what I say enti me pese me bisa o say o se sofo bi aka cho say yentafri mu maka chem say me ku me ka me say me ka brofo me ka vagina no me problem but me ka twa no mo say me ka twe me se me ka me se me ka tie ne me ka che o no me say me ka vagina no me nyasem me ka twa ene me nyasem ko twa ye me krom kasa me nka you know me se me ka me say ti me ka me say wa ha me say me say bisa o say se so for bia ka che o say se bin previasa se council bia ka che o say se bin previasa wono yire da se na bia mu do be so ntita fre ni twem na wo onipa mu akwabrani a wo nyankopɔ bo se suba ne se so ne nti wuta fre twem no wa honim ayo conscious wo de na ka che o wa honim ka che o se bien o se twani aduane ho ha wo se twani atombra ho wa honim cho se twano eye tombra bi motagu mo wa hunim your conscience oh yeah wa odwen and some say mon party me say me kan krom ha ye be bi mo adwen ko si say o my Ghana ye be je fi mu sam ye mu de o my ne korean pere enchirima ye nya o ma mu da mu poto chi ma dwen fa nye sika gumu kotokuom ye pere me say me bi say o di asofo no ka che o say wo no yire be da sabe tafini turumu no era the same turumu no e suspan wa wonu ka na chirawo or say their conscience the meanwhile what do I say excusing them or accusing it we are there enya wa wonu ka chesa dia wo ye die enye e pese me bisa ka kire me wo ababa what say wo a wote wo a ye ka wa no fufu krom ha o ma ye nya so na wo de kotie na wonum kotie na wonum turumu na wotafre wo de ntakra nu okwabra ne turum sika kakra obenyenti nu minister turum nu MP turum nu lawyer turum nu doctor turum nu sofo turum na wo tawo no butum wo hwia no atafre na wo ya kan dollars e dia ma no e dia no ho nim ka che wo wi aseme na ka che ho wo ya aseme na ka che ho. What does your conscience tells you? You see, there is one thing that is primary. Nobody can escape judgment. Nobody can escape judgment. When the judgment of God steps in, Sadano, because the Gentiles are those who have not even accepted Jesus as their Lord and Savior. The Gentiles are those who don't know anything about Jesus Christ. The Gentiles are the worldly people. It will be a tinamo, never a brabonina celebrities. Now you're sorry, Sikafunti, Musoya, Mucho, and to social media. And I mean, physical, crossing the account. Now, who knew your conscience are Eruno, Fediagro, Romans chapter 6, Romans chapter 2, verse 14 and 50. What I say, was see her, say, I'm a man for Kura Winimum Ramon. If you almost a yen nature, a ye and Mrano asedia. What I say, Omo no Munim Rano Crano, Omo Hunim Abe and Mra at the amount. His son say, what the sad ye air that a diachira say, and Mrano, ya chiro Oma Kumum, it's Emrano Guapum dada. The law is in our heart, the grace is in our heart. It would tell now catch me say, aye, and I saw for say, yeah, and I'm so for say, I was so for say, how they find a problem. Also for Nakas or Quatimum, or Nakas or problem. Metia no problem. Also for no problem. It would be dinechi out of absent mindedness, dampness. I honorable Kennedy of Aquaman John, or said damp or canna meniajike. Damp, just saw them, and I said it. So for the flu, come dinner. No be Gina when you more, turn I dream out. Catch you say, we require fitira, and then na also qua was a menida. Now, Apalati so,
what ya say bia wo papa peni hwe ti fie duru 50 years 60 years na osofo say enya hwe betma wa no na o hira kwala 18 19 20 years ona enti wa hunim ka cho say de. We're talking about the conscience of man. The conscience of man. Man, yeah. Romans chapter 2, verse 14 and 15. Yeah, give me your money. Matthew scriptures. Go.
Romans chapter 2, verse 14 and 15.
Yeah.
Na amanamam
for
woni imra woni imra
amanamam ni obi a wonni mewrade amanamam ni obi a onko asori ye we nipa bi a omusia so dem da maka se agidifo Christopher mo na maye ama ene ewiasefo edi atem edi asofo atem mo a Christopher asofo binom abrabonti ewiasefo dia because anano Paul kasem bi e wo 1 Corinthians chapter 5 ti asem Paul kan 1 Corinthians chapter 5 verse 1 o se hwe ya check ata be ka chem se edwamammo atisi asafunim na sa edwamammo nimpo ewiasefo kra nyese edwamammo no obi ti aso de pon na ne papa yire ene waware no ene ne da ana Paul se sa boni ewiasefo kra omunye ene ti aso de wenkwa siampa bra ene ahyawo koso aso de kwa chen ewiasefo ti amusi na ye mamu chance ka ma ba jafa ene wiase ntade ni afa adwaman ntade o kan yesemenka esi Kristo so wakomam fire burn you all mo sa sofo no o so tua mo ka sa sofo no na o hwe kwabra ne twe nyankwala twe etwe bi etundra e bi meat fry 7000 ye ne twe nyankwala twe na o hwe skin tight shena o de kwa sori kwese da awroho yesa tade bi de biker shorts underwear nika kantete ni e friend tie nim diesem underwear nika kantete ni esua no e friend underwear and mo tuni di biker short and then mo shedam wo de ho twe bo onim ene ade hye wo shebaba bo asesa mo ye nti ye ka osimi ye ka na mo shoni jam na jimisem wa hunnim we to wo shatare na wo twe nyankwala twe kwabra ne wo twe wo bema titito kwa siampeni na ne soa ne kote no wa shemi kakoto a jimisem wa papa na kota so de ne soa o supporter na ne soa ne kote aboa no de rush dem na shenika chese na wo minti jimisem kwa siasem asofo to ma dwema mo jibusika omo na mo dwe wo mo ho na mo dwe wo mo ho wa hunnim we wahunim awefa sa biker shorts no kan tete ne friend underwear mahunim say ti stop and am na me obi sia na me ka jere unim ta ma ne kwa so bia na ye nyino na Bible ka bibi se fornication ewiase ne bego kakapa na na e wo syllabus mu fornication kama pe na education agum kakra ko mu se fornication anu ode dodo and me ne premarital sex. It's time I answer your school now. One of them started premarital sex kakra. And then do side I want to know I feel more gum come sex before marriage. Now you fan for sex before marriage. As you say, never premarital sex. Premarital sex go as you say fornication. Asia, no maybe some say a sex before marriage is saying you should joke. Wa hunim na emwa hunim ma no. Wo should joke. Mo kwasia twedie edie fo eti mo gun semu o say fornication won dey pa. You can fornication, bam, nabo. You can fornication, bam, nabo. Into party, I say, is sex marriage before sin? Is sex before marriage a sin? Is sex before marriage a sin? Pam paso. And you're born when you did a catch it all. Dear, who you catch it all? Sex before marriage idea. Biker shorts idea. Your friend underwear. Your man, minimum share a shot at you so. And never my brabo. A Toma, you are wanting. A Toma, you are wanting. Atoma nyam you wanting mo twe prr na me catch so for me say Ghana for twe prr omo aye ready aye so mo nche dross no omo dross omo be she dross ti mu di asofo no mo tira wo da sike die ai asofo no na mo pena mo sabe ka Ghana asofo na mo hwe me say general apostle wasasa akode me say Ghana asofo the way you have failed God and the way you have failed this country na mo hwe no mo sa be ka e ma ba no omo aye krada mamu omo aye krado because ma sell ma hunim ma sell ma dwene ma jama bunsam wiase afom nunum asell mo dodo the conscience of man ahunim na paramount and na pause we be ayi wiase ni na wonim Kristo kwa hu anka and the normal sense natural sense no o ade bi wonimu ya wusu asade no e kire ne papa ene bone ene way udidi tunum what a fit room, and then what's in the foot attack, yet tap, boom, no what me near my dollars. Jimmy Sam, Leviticus, or say near Wanda, Cobrane was Sia, Cobrania, what Jimmy Fie, with the ho, not Kramai, and what that was Magiska, while winning way, dead conscience, demonic, devilish, contracted, satanic agents. Was so, Katimu left you all. Ready? Me say, you think you're on top, but I'm telling you, a little time is going to come. Remember the book of Revelation chapter 2 verse 20, Jezebel. When Jacob was, I gave her time, just a little while, that she repents. She did not. I'll strike her. Yaria yensa. Yaria yesa enyi. Me de bono. Ma me fa me koka ho Romans chapter 2. No ego. Yen kan sem kakra che o mangana. Ne kobo ne do. And no nam kuroma utimi. Wonama e so kata wani by force. Dwamanta de ye won penifo, ye wasofo, asofo penifo kukudam. E sia so da kese hypnotic forces, hypnotic spirit. Ayomo tengos all over this country. And no the rather sem mani pa ko timi nwene adetia. Ko gigi moto ne nko sia ne ma. Be hono de ma so ma na no no mo tia so de mo no ma na ne moa. Ye tama yesu ayenyi no masa. We had a discerning heart. Need to be discerning scriptures. Ah, your call evangelism and eduma. And all said, "Muye nipa no. Eti muye bad. Yeah, we na kopo. Miso we tua moka. Mo we be bad. Me catch him. And then after joint. We are not asori ba ko bo ediem. No on crusade abo. No on program abo. No on chikwala asori man sika. Ai. No ma che. No ma che. No now. No evangelism. And now I said I back. We no. Omu kubo so be ten. Tete obiaka sem nche o de me de o be broka kra ye je ha ye wi ana me soma me de na wa ma je me de wate and then Bible no evangelism nothing do you even compare faith do you compare faith and na nipa da sani nwa wo so ahonim wan where is your conscience you can't practice some cha untime me wa go school a whole lawyer wa go school a whole MP wa go school a whole doctor you can't discern scriptures you can't ugusuti adetia go hon ye bua ma wo dwaman enu wiase adwene konkan ma me give it to me Romans chapter 2 verse 14 to 15 quick one
na amanamamufo a woni imrano de won awusu ye imrano
na amanamufo a woni emre bia won kwa sori Bible ekuta mi Bible yi woni bi eti ono Bible onkan eti amanamu ni onipa bia o ma sori da won kwa sori da woni sofo Bible say na amanamufo ade o ma de yen awusu eden
ye emrano enioma
ko
yenum a woni emrano ye emrama won
yenum a woni emrano ebe ye emra ede ma won etitina won ka chem se wabra bo na obo no nim se ya na enye etire ade na wo ye no awa hunim wa wosu ene wo kasa no wa wosu eka no otiwani wo ho se hey ade we awo ye careful enye na wo sie pini wo sie gina ye wa ko se meye look at where the Bible is positioning you.
Verse 15.
For when the Gentiles, which have not the law, do by nature the things contained in the law, say amamamu for winimra. If you are soon, a year and neoma, I want a Bible say a year and mra at your mom. Then verse 15 is what?
Verse 15. What the H say, what your emra,
what the sa? I was so brave. What is that? I was so tene brano. Just said ye. Ya shira emra we.
Emra nyuma no won akoma.
Asa me de say. Ya shira emra nyuma no. I want akoma mu. Enu in the garden of Eden. Me do ho. Me do kobo the conscience of man. Me bobo nsem so brutal. What did you say? Ya shira emra nsem na akoma mu. Eti ma me cow back Garden of Eden mu. Adam wa Eve any Adam. Omu di aduaba ne pe obi anan ko bi ne yere ahyahye Bible say na nka omu mfere omu prekope na fere to omu so na omu ko ti enhaban e de kata omu adegya so conscience ahun say ahuni mu no enwera no firi hope ena omu ni ba omu so enti afi enyo omu ni nkosu o ahuni me hu ade che chale we are naked ena omu ko pa ade kata o wo se wo 21st century when you be say Adam the 200 century years back Adam kura hu se odadegya o shatade Eve kura hu se chale ense me tweda abonten okoti aban nyankopɔ bae no eno pa watade papa e ma ne hyeye eno abrabo watade a hye wen enne emma obeka se competition amoko obeka se competition ena amoko na mo se heaven hell echemu hell emano senya hell aye crabo chemu no bo sa dem chemu no santa de phone jeans pape aye nom skitai pape underwanika biker short pat masa senya bro sama aye crabo chemu no an hey makeup ni ne titi no hey dari dua e be ye fekeke hey buta on the day of judgment e be ye nwanwa e be ye hu e be ye hu me say dari dua nyoma na mo ya mo hunim ka kire mo a mo say oh after all my papa your papa who's your papa Apostle Paul Cross say after I have preached you I go to work on myself. Apostle Paul say after that I have preached to you I also go to work on myself. No can't go I also me shame me nipedia so I fight my body that I will keep myself under control. You better tell me I can't see when yes you call Bible masa ye nyina ye nipa ye ho dwuma san ye tena wiase ye tena wiase moa ye nya moa we supersede all of them. We supersede all of them. We are God. Yen nyankopon what I say yen onyankopon boy won suban and the sexual he gave us power to live as gods yen ye bie yen ne atena ho amasebi emmoa enne enkrama akọ Europe ye show mo dross ye bomb pampers enne enipa afi na mu dross afi mu ho na no me hwe documentary na ya hye krama pa atade kama na omo ye modeling e wo social media atade ya hye krama no satade no satade nipa ye hye atade na wuja atade hye wahuni wey your conscience is dead. Revive your conscience and me nyina hye atade and me e hye atade nipa wo onyankopon bo nso anse so and when I was on atade e ro atade to you. Or see, the Gentiles that have no law, they are showing that the law has been written in their hearts. So what I say, now there are 3 testimonies in the heavens. Whether you knew God or you didn't know God, there are 3 things that are witnessing. 3 satellites. The 3 satellites, the first one is nature, the second one is conscience, and then the third one is what? Thoughts. One not to hear. It is this 3 things the bear records in heaven. It will never be when you go here, mommy and papa be dance you. Say, okay, what does he know? I don't tell you. Nature will speak for you. 1, 2, conscience will stand in. 3, your thoughts. And it took a Bible not say, which should the work of the law written in their hearts. Their conscience also. I go for nature also. Yeah, when do we use also? The Christian, if I come verse 14. Me chega na for dia but when we come verse 14 I will say or see they do by law the things contained in the law. It nature first but you go verse 15 no and verse 15 or say also their conscience it will their for nature so it will wo su ye one it will wo su be che na wo nya boa na wo nipa tina say wo shatade na say wo ya onyama say nipa na wo nye kraman na wo nye dwan a wo hia tunumu enne emponche kro wo say dwan dis yare na no aidin enti mponche kro ja tunumu hia tama ne esua no ne hu mponche obekon na pon ni aponche ba ho a no hia ne to kakare na ne hwanya frizi etori betimi fali tim na ne hwena ka epoma enne mponche kro ja o ko state ma butu so wi anu aso no ko na bi enne nipa ne hia ene nipa ni hia twem oni oba be down na hwene na no nyina butu cha asia taba jimi mwa ne hia twem kai also then their conscience also bearing witness. And their thoughts, they meanwhile excusing or else accusing it were one to 3 it one to 8 na one na wahuni mbamu a na afi one to 2 bisa se nti wa hwa ade a wo yeye na wa waka oh chaladi die nkanyi o ye nti mi amehwa aboyi ameku a okwa kudi mesenye onware mi o odi mi asenyi o de nya hwe ondi bi nya hwe ahun nti ahano ya children that because who you it 3 things will be records. You don't need me as your apostle. You don't need your pastor. Whoever your pastor is, whoever presides over your spirit. You don't need him there. In the kingdom of God, let me tell you, God gave us something that is natural. Men of God are to preside and to teach us so that our conscience will always be awakened. But let me tell you, we know good and you know bad. It's a dinner we na a musuno when you say no sickness or ye. It's a honeymoon at 2. It will be a one abrabo ya unim. Wabrabo nya unim. It's a brabo Ghana for mobono, especially Ghana ma. Nyamu yeno munimo nyese munim and catch him so nim catch him say no nda me catch no wa hunim a your conscience and who dim komo anopa and who dim komo awia and who dim komo anajo nya wo ye no conscience catch and dey me bo into and into me yanti si we afei na me connect scriptures among say apostle Paul na kasa no na oni Roman asafo na kasa o say hwa mo se den adu ni tianya ya na kwasiafo hey Paul o say mo se den adu ni tianya it was charged with chapter 2. Paul tisi na Romans chapter 1 verse 21 down to 2 na Romans asori man o mo brabo nye na o mu didi tumum o mu tafi tumum o mo ya leki o mo ya saki Romans chapter 1 verse 21 and Paul by na say hwe mo de mo tra na mo fa adomo no kata manim na mo nyimi na obi a onim Kristo kura no ho ofiri o mo ne pem awosu eye nioma e wo mmara ni mu aye mmara dia ma no wa hunim edi wonim kane na wano toto yeso edi adanse se de oye no woni posu chia o se eye anase eye tu le trawo na she biker shorts biker dross na fa nanti krom ai she biker na fa nanti krom no o hwe na nyakwala hwe o hwe timba o hwe tundra nyankwala o hwe sister se toblo home street kesia na wa hye na o baba o nam emema hwe ase Jezebel suban bi Revelation o say maami we na shenta de fuma o say ma di for hwe ase ene mo na mo di asofo samo nka mo so ma wiye no so nka o be catch no na huni na yadwuma na ene ahonim ni wua na ewu emaba wa nyina ejimi emranti ejimi ye maame no mo so ani da mo so a mo so musua oba bere wate se obi otife duru onofo ada onofo tu bibi anim bi mu edi edi na woje oba bere wade na woje wo twei atwotwoma wie edi it is asked that wa bere wate wo hye no wo de gide Felix ben Titus chapter 2 Paul o say maame wa no nya nyoma se fatara mfa ntuma ba wanefo na wo so bere wate se wo enkwala hye biker nika wo betena se frɛ mo me na abra edi atare se na oba bere wa nso hye bi oba bere wa papa peni mo wate se wo emranti wi maya be frɛ eni masa te ba ku bi na tena ho ave mo na mo de o mo between us mudi competition na fi kwakran ko bom ranti ni dua ko se ranti ni dijawom kwakafo ni bom ranti ni dua kunkum mo basa ene into the conscience of man.